The Adventures of V-Man, sponsored by Dherbs.com.
Hey, what's up guys? Vinnie here again with The Adventures of V-Man. Today we are doing some pretty exciting things. Chiropractic, which is one of my favorite therapies, and we're doing somatic trauma therapy, which is a new one for me, but we are here at Zen Wellness in Silver Lake, Los Angeles with one of my favorite chiropractors in the city. So I'm excited, I'm ready, mask up, let's do it. Once we got to her office, she showed us around, and I've been there, but we wanted to give you guys a feel for the office, and she started with the chiropractic therapy. A lot of people are very afraid of cracking. I am not, I love it. In fact, I don't think the adjustment happens if there's no crack. She proceeded to just, feel my spine, feel my neck, and she started the adjustments. And it's so awesome, I can't even describe it. Like when you're tight in one side and then they just go plop, and then it's like immediate relief. It's so great.
The spine houses the central nervous system, the spinal cord. That affects your whole body. So if it's compressed or twisted or tightened, you're not going to get nerve energy running to those organs as well as it should go. Not only helps the musculoskeletal part of the body, which is your muscles and joints and nerves, it actually helps improve the function of your body as well.
My favorite adjustment is when she has me on my side, and it's a lower back, like pelvis adjustment. Oh my goodness, it's the best. Outside of the neck crack, that's my second favorite, but that one on your side, oh my goodness, it is fantastic, especially if you have lower back pain.
So put it together, somatic trauma therapy is an opportunity to address the feelings that are stored in the body. We work with meditation, breathing, specific touch that creates delta waves in the brain. And those delta waves release a chemical called GABA. And what GABA does is it sort of massages the brain. It lets the brain know everything's okay. It gives the opportunity again for connecting to the emotions and then taking the triggers that are stored on the amygdala and actually removing them, removing the cells that are overstimulated. Havening is really helpful for things like anxiety, PTSD, eating disorders, sleeping disorders, traumas that are acute, like a car accident, for example, really bad car accident, or traumas that were in childhood and recurrent, right, that still stay with us and haunt us. Havening allows us to process the feelings associated with all those events and all the negative self-talk that comes about when we have trauma.
And the great thing about the therapy is that you don't have to tell her a single thing. You keep it all inside, and through, just pressure points and gentle massage, questions that she asks you, you're able to kind of relieve the tension or stress that you hold in your body when you think of that moment. So that was actually a really, really cool experience. I didn't know how it was gonna go since I've never done anything like that before. And I felt a ton of relief actually, which was really, really surprising. And you can see that in the video. I was smiling a lot, so that was pretty cool.
The reason I got into havening was because I experienced it myself. I went to the therapist with my traumatic childhood story. I didn't even have to tell her what happened. All I had to do was tell her how it made me feel. And then, it was about 3 or 4 sessions we did. Now I can say I was traumatized as a child and not have an emotional reaction to it. And all I need to know is how you feel. And then explore different parts of your brain that help you relax. We have those good memories in us too. And we can use those memories as tools to help us feel better and have more happiness.
She offers chiropractic therapy, somatic trauma therapy. Those are 2 that we did. They offer infrared sauna, they offer prenatal massage, they offer facials, they offer a whole bunch of stuff. You can check it out on their website. Everyone there is super friendly, knowledgeable about what they do, and I strongly recommend that everyone go see her. She is an awesome person, one of my favorite people, and definitely my favorite chiropractor in Los Angeles.
We are Zen Wellness, located in Silver Lake, Los Angeles. You can call us at 323-662-0177. You can even book your appointment online without calling anyone at all at zenwellnessla.com.
Thanks again for watching the Adventures of V-Man. I am Vinny. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. The time is ticking. Do it now. I see you haven't done it yet. Go ahead and click it. Thanks again for all the support.